Hey Technatious Tigers, here is your G Suite tip of the week number 5. Using bookmarks in the Chrome web browser. In your Google Chrome web browser, the box where the web address is at is called the Omni box. Below that Omni box is where your bookmarks bar will live. Now if you're logged in to your VVSD Google account in the Chrome web browser, the bookmarks bar is automatically enabled. If you're logged into a personal account, it may not be automatically enabled. So let me show you how to turn that on. Go to the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, select Settings, scroll down until you see Show Bookmarks Bar, and toggle this switch to the On position. Now, once you start creating bookmarks, they will all live below your Omni box in the Chrome web browser. Now let's create a bookmark. Navigate to a website that you visit often. Go to the Omni box, go to the far right side, and select a star. In the name box, consider giving it a name that is as short as possible and one that you still understand what it means. Now for me, Digital Learning Center, Training Modules, blah, blah, blah is quite a long name, so I'm going to change it to DLC. In the folder option, select Bookmarks Bar. Now if you already have folders set up and you would like to throw it in a folder, you can certainly do so. Or if you would like to create a folder, select Choose Another Folder and select New Folder. Now that I have given it a name and selected the Bookmarks bar for the folder, select Done, and now it has appeared on my Bookmarks bar. Now it has appeared on the far right side of my Bookmarks bar because I already have a lot of bookmarks here. If you don't have any, it will appear closer to the left side near the Apps button. Now if I wanted to move this bookmark, I can select and hold and then drag it to where I would like it to be positioned on my bookmarks bar. If I decide to start grouping bookmarks by folder, I can do so by hovering it over a folder that I've already created and throwing it in that folder to keep myself organized. This will also help condense your bookmarks bar so that you can see all of them without having to go to an additional drop-down list. Now, navigating to that website is as simple as 2 clicks. 1 to open a new tab, and 2 to select the bookmark to navigate to that site that I just bookmarked. If you'd like to take it a step further and learn how to get these cute little icons to condense your bookmarks bar even further, give me a shout and I'll give you a 5-minute mini lesson for that little shortcut. Give those bookmarks a try. Let me know how it goes.